how are you? How is your studying is going on? Hello, we are studying here chapter 9 coordination compounds. Okay, in first video we have seen the difference between the double salts and the complex compounds and the terminology of the coordination compounds. Okay, in terminology we have seen a word ligands. Here we will see the all the discussion about ligand. First of all, what are ligands? Okay, as we have seen, ligands are founded in the entity of the complex compound with any central metal atom. Okay, so what are ligands here? The ligands means the atoms or the groups of atoms or ions which have tendency to donate electron pairs and are coordinately bonded with CMA. CMA means central metal atom, are termed as ligands. Clear? Ligands forms the coordinate bond with the central metal atom by donating its electron pair. Okay, and the atom which donates its electrons known as donor atom. Okay, now see some examples such chloride ion. In chloride ion only chlorine atom is present, so it is donor atom. In NS3 there is lone pair is present on nitrogen, so nitrogen is lone pair here, donor atom here. In H2O oxygen has lone pair here, so oxygen is donor atom. In cyanides, cyanide is donor atom. In isocyanide, nitrogen is donor atom. In sulfates, oxygen is donor atom. Okay, now we see in these ligands may be neutral in nature without any charge, they can be negative in nature, and they can be also positive in nature. Okay, so they can be positively charged, negatively charged, or positively charged. Okay, and sometimes there are many donor atoms are present in one ligand, so the number of donor atoms in the ligand to make the coordinate bond is known as its denticity. Okay, the number of donor atoms in the ligands or the number of coordinate bonds made by ligand is termed as denticity. We have classified all the ligands according to their denticity. Okay, on the basis of denticity, ligands are classified into 5 types. The first, number 1, is monodentate ligands. Mono means one. Dentate means denticity, means the ligands which have only one donor atom or can make only one coordinate bond with central metal atom are known as monodentate ligands, means their density is only 1. They can be positive, negative, or neutral in nature. See, first of all, we will see the monodentate ligand with zero charge, means neutral ligands. We will see here what is the donor atom of the ligand and what is the name of ligand as present in complex compounds. Okay, number 1, it is ammonia. Ammonia means NH3. The formula of ammonia is NH3. Here is one lone pair on N. Okay, the charge of ammonia is 0, so it is neutral ligand and it is named as amine. There is double M. Okay, amine, and the donor atom is N. It is very compulsory to learn that which is the donor atom of the ligand. Okay, amine is nominated and N is the donor atom. Water means H2O. In H2O, oxygen has 2 lone pairs, its charge is 0, so it is also neutral. It is named as aqua, not water or H2O. It is named as aqua. First letter is very compulsory to learn. It will be used in UPSC nomenclature. Okay, here the donor atom is oxygen. Next, phosphine. Phosphine means pH3, just like NS3. Here pH3 has, in pH3 P has phosphorus has lone pair, so it will be the donor atom, named as it is phosphine, and the charge is 0. All we here carbon is used as donor atom. You can see their oxygen is already make coordinate bond with nitrogen and carbon, so oxygen can't be act as donor atom. Here nitrogen is donor atom, here carbon is a donor atom and named as carbonyl. It is very important to see the IUPAC name of the ligands. Ammonia means amine, water means aqua, phosphine is named as phosphine, nitric oxide as nitrosyl, and carbon monoxide as carbonyl. These 4 names are very important: amine, aqua, nitrosyl, and carbonyl. Pyridine is this heterocyclic aromatic compound. There is nitrogen having lone pair, so it is also a ligand, and the donor atom in pyridine is N, named as pyridine. Okay, now we will see some negatively charged monodentate ligand. Okay, first of all, halide ions. Halides means fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. All the halogens have minus charge, means negative charge, -1 charge. Okay, their donor atoms as it is fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Okay, when the negatively charged ligands are named in complex compound in IUPAC nomenclature, they have to add O. Fluoride means fluorido, chloride means chlorido, bromide means bromido, and iodide means iodido. O is added in the last of the ligand name. See, hydroxide, OH, O is donor atom here having negatively charged, -1 charge, is named as hydroxo. Cyanide, Cn minus charge is present on C, so C is the donor atom here with -1 charge, it and name as cyno, O is added. In isocyanide, Nc is present, N is donor atom here in -1 with -1 charge and named as isocyano. Nitro means NO2 minus, here minus charge is present on N, so coordinate bond will be bonded by nitrogen, so donor atom is nitrogen, named as nitro, or we also name is as N nitro also. Okay, cyanate, nitrite ONO means negative charge is shifted on O. Okay, so the donor atom here is O, and nitro is that it is O nitro or nitrito, both name are correct. Okay, we can say it nitrito or we can say O nitro. CNO, here donor atom is O with -1 charge, named as cyanato. When the nitrogen is in the front of the group, then it will named as isocyanate, and the donor atom is here nitrogen and named as isocyanato. It also has -1 charge. Next, thiocyanate ion means NCS. Here the donor atom is S with 1 minus charge and named as thiocyanato. Isothiocyanato means N is coming here. NCS, donor atom is nitrogen with -1 charge and named as isothiocyanato, and M. Okay, amide means NH2 minus, here minus charge is present on N, so N is donor atom and named as amido. Acetate, CH3CO minus, donor atom is O with -1 charge and named as acetato. Cyclopentadienyl ion, it is organic ligand with -1 charge. -1 charge is present on C, so donor atom is C with -1 charge. Okay, oxide ions, O-2, oxygen is present as donor atom and named as oxido. Sulfide ions, S is donor atom and named as sulfido. Oxide and sulfide ions have -2 charges. Next, carbonate means CO3 -2, peroxide yani O2 -2, sulfite means SO3 -2, and sulfate means SO4 -2. In all four the ligands, the charge is -2 and donor atom is oxygen. 2 oxygens are donor atom in each of the ligand and name as with O. Carbonate means carbonato, peroxide means peroxido, sulfite means sulfito, and sulfate means sulfato. Okay, these are some negatively charged monodentate ligand. Now we will see some positively charged ligands. Okay, there is 3 positively charged ligands only: nitronium, nitrosonium and hydrazinium. Okay, nitronium, NO2 minus, is nitro, but when it is NO2 plus, it will be nitronium. Onium is added when positive charge is present. Okay, this is nitroso group. When it is positively charged, then it is known as nitrosonium. Hydrazine means NH2NH2. When it is positively charged, then it is known as hydrazinium ions. All the ligands, all the 3 ligands have +1 charge on each. Okay, and the donor atom here in all the ligands is nitrogen. Okay, only 3 ligands are present here as positive ligands. Maximum ligands are negative and some are neutral in nature. Okay, clear? All these ligands have monodentate, means they can only form one coordinate with central metal atom. Clear? Now we will see bidentate ligands. Number second is bidentate ligands. Bi means 2, means the ligands will have 2 donor atoms to make 2 coordinate bonds, means the density of these ligands is 2 with same central metal atom. Okay, means 2 coordinate bond are made at one chance with same central atom by one ligand. Okay, see some examples. See, oxalate ion denoted as OX. Oxalate is C2O4, means both carbon atoms are double bonded with oxygen and single bonded oxygen, and single bonded oxygens are negatively charged. The total charge on the oxalate is -2. It is also written as C2O4 -2. Okay, named as oxalato. It is negatively charged, so O is added. It is oxalate, but as the name of ligand in the complex, it's known as oxalate, and the donor atoms are oxygen, both oxygens. Okay, ethylene diimine. Ethylene means 2 carbons. Di means 2 amines, amine groups. 2 amines group are added on ethylene, so it is known as ethylene diamine, and shortly it is written as En, small e, small n. Okay, here both nitrogens have lone pairs, so both nitrogens are donor atom here. And name as same, ethylene diamine or ethene 1,2-diamine. Charge is 0, it is neutral and very important. All three ligands are very important here and founded in many of the complexes. Okay, next glycinate. GLY, as denoted as GLY, or we can write this GLY in small letters. Okay, glycinate is an amino acid, glycinic acid, with where CH2 is added with NH2, means one amine group and one carboxylate group. It is amino acid. Okay, here nitrogen has one lone pair and this oxygen have negative charge, so both one nitrogen and one oxygen have donor atoms with -1 charge and named as glycinato. Okay, nitrogen and oxygen both are donor atoms here. Clear? Next bidentate ligand is dipyridine. DIPY is it's a short name. Two pyridines are attached with a single bond. Charge is 0, named as it is dipyridyl, and the donor atoms are two nitrogens here with lone pairs. Okay. Next DMG, very important ligand. DMG means two carbons are attached with one methyl group and one oxime groups. NOH is known as oxime, so it is known as dimethyl glyoxime. Okay, dimethyl glyoxime. Here the donor atoms is one oxygen and one nitrogen with -1 charge. One nitrogen is donor atom and one oxygen is also donor atom and named as dimethyl glyoxymato. And the last ligand is acetyl acetonato. It is also organic ligand, acetyl acetonato. Okay, here acetyl acetonato CH3, CH, CH3 and oxygens are added on these. Okay, carbon atoms with -2 in total. This is shown as resonance. One carbon is double bonded and one carbon is negatively charged. Okay, so total charge is -1 and named as acetyl acetonato. O is added, E is replaced by O. Both oxygens are here donor atoms. These are some bidentate ligand. They can form two coordinate bond at a time with same central metal atom. Okay, clear? The third type is ambidentate ligands. Ambidentate ligands means monodentate ligand but have two or more than two donor atoms. Okay, but at one time only one donor atom coordinates with central metal atom. Okay, two donor atoms are present but only one donor atom coordinates at one time with central metal atom. So these are monodentate ligands. It is very important. These are monodentate ligands with two donor atoms. See, like Cn minus, it is cyano, having the donor atom as C, but when the donor atom is N, it will known as isocyano. These are ambidentate. Molecular formula same. Carbon and nitrogen both are donor atom, but when carbon is behave as donor atom, it is known as cyano. When nitrogen behaves as donor atom, it will known as isocyano. Okay, see, CNO means cynato. When carbon is used as donor atom, it is known as cynato, and when nitrogen behaves as donor atom, it will known as isocyanato. Here thiocyanato and isothiocyanato. When carbon CNS, carbon behaves as donor atom, it will be known as thiocyanato. When nitrogen behave NCS, nitrogen behaves as donor atom, it known as isothiocyanato. Same NO2, NO2 में in NO2 when nitrogen behaves as donor atom, it is known as nitro or N-nitro, and when oxygen behaves as donor atom, it will known as nitrite. Okay, nitrito or O-nitro. These are some ambidentate ligands. Ambidentate ligands means there are two donor atoms but only one atom can behave as donor atom at one time with central metal atom. Okay, so these all are monodentate ligands. Clear? Now polydentate ligands. Poly means more than two. The ligands with denticity of more than two or have the donor atoms more than two are known as polydentate ligands. Example, tridentate ligands. Okay, we will see here tridentate, tetradentate, pentadentate and hexadentate ligands. Okay, or same types of ligands are present here. But in bidentate ligand, we have seen ethylene diamine. Ethylene diamine. When one density is increased, one amine should be increased. So now the compound will be diethylene triamine. Okay, here amine is in odd number, tri. So we will start the structure with NH. Then nitrogen added in both sides with ethylene, diethylene, and in the last carbons are attached with NH2 means amine. So there are three amines and two ethylene. So its name is diethylene and triamine. And all three nitrogens behave as donor atom because of lone pair. So it is tridentate ligand. Tetradentate ligand, one amine is extends extended, and ethylene is also added, so it will be triethylene tetraamine. Triethylene tetraamine. Tetra, it is even number, so ethylene, then in both sides NH groups means amine groups. Now ethylene, both ethylene are added with amine groups, and two amine groups are added with ethylene groups. So there is 1 2 3 4 tetraamine, and 1 2 3 triethylene tetraamine, and all the four nitrogens have lone pair, so behave as donor atom, so it is tetradentate ligand. Okay, next pentadentate ligand. In pentadentate ligand, one ethylene and one amine is extended. Okay, now tetraethylene pentaamine. Now NH2 ethylene, NH ethylene, NH ethylene, NH ethylene, NH, till 5 amines groups are attached. Okay, all the 5 amine groups have nitrogen atoms with lone pairs, so all the nitrogen behave as penta, as donor atom, so it is pentadentate ligand. Okay, clear? Now last example, hexadentate ligand. Only one example here, that is EDTA. The full name of EDTA is ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. First of all, ethylene. This is ethylene. Ethylene means CH2, CH2. Okay. Diamine means both the carbons are attached with amine group. Tetraacetic acid means four acetic acid groups are attached with both amine groups in the form of CH2COOH, 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 and CH2COH. This is the structure. Now we can write it like this: CH2CH2 and NH, and two acetyl groups are attached with these groups, amine groups. Okay, now in ethylene diamine, this the nitrogen atom, both nitrogen atom has lone pair, so it will make the coordinate bond, and it will also make the coordinate bond. Okay, means denticity is 2 is compulsory. In this condition, when it is in neutral stage, there is no any charge on EDTA, its denticity is only 2. Okay, but when the carboxylic groups releases their H plus ions, okay, releases their H plus ions to make ethylene diamine tetraacetate ions, that is this -4 H plus, then it will make EDTA -4. So okay, then it will becomes, in this it is EDTA -4, EDTA -4. Okay, -4 charge is present on all 4 oxygen atoms. Now 2 nitrogen atoms and 4 oxygen atoms can donate their electron pair to make coordinate bonds, so its total denticity is 6. So it is hexadentate ligand. Okay, in there are two types of lone pair donor atoms, 2 nitrogens and 4 oxygen, total is 6, so its denticity is 6. Okay, now we have seen the polydentate ligands, tridentate, tetradentate, pentadentate, and hexadentate ligands. Clear? Now the last example of types of ligands is flexidentate ligands. Flexi means there is flexibility in denticity, means ligands can change its denticity, or it is found in EDTA. Okay, when EDTA is in neutral stage, okay, then its denticity is only 2. As I will tell you in this is neutral EDTA, only 2 nitrogen atoms can donate their lone pairs to make coordinate bonds, so its denticity is 2. In here, see, I have told you in last video that the coordination number of AG is 2. So the EDTA will donate only 2 electron pairs to make coordinate bonds, so its denticity here is 2. Okay, when the H plus ions are released here, okay, when one hydrogen atom this and one hydrogen atom this is removed, only 2 H plus ions are released. So there will be -1 charge here and -1 charge also here. Okay, so it will also behave as donor atom, and it will also behave as donor atom. Now its denticity will be 1 2 3 and 4. Means in starting the denticity was 2. Now after removing 2 H plus ions, its denticity becomes 4. As with nickel, the coordination number of nickel is 4. So in this complex compound, EDTA shows denticity as 4. And when all the H plus ions, means all 4 H plus ions are removed in this phase, as EDTA -4 is formed, then all the 6 means 4 oxygen atoms and 2 nitrogen atoms can donate their electrons to make coordinate bonds, so its denticity becomes 6. Okay, so EDTA can change its denticity as 2, 4 or 6, so it is also known as flexidentate ligand. Okay, clear? In this, when its density is 6, all the oxygen atoms are negatively charged. When its density is 4, only 2 oxygen atoms are negatively charged and 2 oxygen atoms has H, means hydrogen. And when its density is 2, the all oxygens are attached with hydrogen, they have no any negative charge. Thus there is types of ligands, their donor atoms, their structures and their IUPAC names also. It is very compulsory to learn their IUPAC names to learn, because they will help us to write the IUPAC name of the complex compound. Thank you.